Assalamualaikum. My name is AZIM bin AZAHAN. My metric number is 050395.
Hi, my name is ALIUDDIN bin AZMI. My metric number is 050092.
Hi, my name is Amin Firdaus bin RAMLI. My metric number is 049871.
Hi, my name is DANISH bin ZULKAFLI. My metric number is 049789.
Hi, my name is Samuel Day Johnson. My metric number is 050963.
And this is our FERAID project.
eFaraid is a system that explains about the calculation of Faraid by using Faraid method in Islam. For example, users enter the specific input of the number and other related things. eFaraid will make calculations and indicate the amount to be raised by the family members. In addition, if the user wants to understand the acceptable ratio, they just have to click on the Faraid section where it will show about the Faraid description. eFaraid also provides a space to be filled by the user if the deceased has a debt to be paid, inheritances, and also the cost of the funeral. eFaraid has been developed with an attractive user interface. As for the team organizational structure, our team consists of a project manager, a quality manager, system analyst, and 2 developers. Our project manager position is held by Amin Firdaus bin RAMLI. Next, the quality manager position is held by me, ALIUDDIN bin AZMI. Then, the system analyst position is held by Samuel ZHEN Shen. Lastly, the 2 developers' positions are held by DANISH bin ZULKAFLI and AZIM bin AZAHAN.
Now I will explain about Gantt chart. Gantt chart is a chart that shows duration of each task. For this project, the duration is 4 months, that equals for 14 weeks, where there is 6 main tasks. For task 1, start project, it need only 1 week, and for start planning, we need 2 weeks. After that, start execution with 6 weeks, then confirm execution 5 weeks. For monitoring, we have used only 1 week, then finally close project, take 2 weeks.
Requirement gathering have 2 types. It is functional requirement and non-functional requirement. Functional requirement have 3 things that we have to know. First is use correct calculation, formula and algorithm. The system must calculate the correct results using correct formula and algorithm. For example, the calculate result by system is same as the result calculated according to Islamic and inheritance law. The second one is authentication. The system needs to authenticate users after they sign in using the user's login password and user's name. For example, user should input his or her user's name and password so that user can use the system and check his or her calculated result. The third one is data processing. System should able to obtain data from user and database, store data into database, display the calculated results. For example, system can obtain user's data by providing some space for user field in user's data. For each category, after user selected the calculated option. Okay, for the non-functional requirements, have 4 things we have to know. First thing is performance. The system should respond rapidly to the user's operations. For example, the system can show the result instantly within about 0.1 second to the user after user finishes to input his or her data in each category and click the calculate button. The second one is availability. The system can be used at any time, any place. For example, you can use the system at night or morning or afternoon and at your home or other place. The third one is usability. The system should be easy for users to use. For example, the system use some words that is easily to understand will require user to fill in users' data for calculation. The last one is security. The system should have high security. For example, only administrator could get access into managed page. Users' information will be kept secure.
So, for the next slide, I would like to present about use case diagrams. As you can see on the left, we have our system boundaries. So whenever the system boundary, which is the user, want to access into our eFaraid, which is basically is a Faraid calculator, it will do two steps. The first step is the user will input the information details, and the second step is the user will press the calculation button, and that's it. You get your exactly amount of what the asset will be divided into. Okay, let's move further to our next presentation, which is about prototypes. In this prototype that I made in this eFaraid system, it has three important steps. Firstly, the user will input all the amount of the user asset. The next step is the user will input the amount of the then the user also must input the amount of debt that is not tied with the asset, which is not connected between the assets. And the last step is the user will choose the which is their wife, husband, son, daughter, and so on. After that, when they are basically confirmed about it, the user will just click the calculate button on the bottom of the system. Then that's it. You got the perfect amount of asset that is divided for eFaraid system. Thank you.
High-level design, architecture design. We have used client server for this design, where you can see how the network interact with user interface and database using network, as shown on those figures.
I'm going to explain about activity diagram and communication diagram for system Faraid. Okay, first is activity diagram for system Faraid. So, what does activity diagram represent? Activity diagram represents workflows for activities. In activity diagram for system Faraid, firstly, the workflows of system Faraid starts with user launch the system Faraid, and then secondly, system shows the menu of system Faraid. The menu consists of many options, which are calculator, language, save result, above Faraid, and quit options. Thirdly, user selects what option he or she wants. If the user selects the calculator option in the menu, then user needs to enter his or her data, which are total assets, assets debt without related to assets, cost of corpse maintenance, will and the hairs into the system. After that, the system will perform calculation after user selected the calculate button, and then system will show the result and a save result button for user to save the result. If user selects save result button, then the result will be saved and can be checked by selecting save result button in menu. However, in the menu, if user selects the language option, Then, system will show the options of many languages. After the user chose his or her language, the system will change the language of the FARAID system. If user selects the Save Result option in the menu, then the system will show the calculated result. If user wants to know something about FARAID, he or she can select the About FARAID option in the menu. After selected this option, the system will show the details and information about FARAID to the user. And finally, for activity diagram for system FARAID, user can select Go Back or Menu buttons in the pages after the user selects any of the options in the menu, such as the pages of the calculator, language, Save Result, and About FARAID options, except the Quit option. After that, the system will turn back to menu page. If user does not want to select any options mentioned before, then the system flow is ended after user selects the Quit button in the menu to quit the FARAID system. Secondly, I want to explain communication diagram for system FARAID. This diagram shows the communication among the objects during sort of collaboration. In this diagram, firstly, user launch the FARAID system. Secondly, system shows the menu of FARAID system. In this menu, there are 5 options which are Calculator, Language, Save Result, About FARAID, and Quit option. If user selects Calculator option, then user should input his or her data before system performs calculation. After that, system will output the calculation result and user can select to save calculated result. If user select the language option in the menu, firstly, system will show the options of languages to the user. Secondly, user need to choose his or her preferred language. And then thirdly, system will change the language of the FARAID system. If user selects the Save Result option, then the system will show the calculated result. If the user selects the About FARAID option, then system will show the details about FARAID. And finally, for communication diagram of system FARAID, after user selects any of the options in the menu except the Quit option, user can select Go Back or Menu buttons in order to let the system turn back to menu page, and the system flow is ended after user selects the Quit button in the menu to quit the FARAID system. That's all for my presentation of activity diagram and communication diagram. Thank you.
Low-level design, database design. This is third normal form design where it shows the database that store the data needed using primary key to know the data. This figure shows how it works.